Hello everyone, I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor, working in Dr. SNS Lakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about HTML and HTTP. So these two things are used in web page development. Let's see that today. First, HTML is a hypertext markup language, so it is mainly used to design a web page. So what are all the things we are placing in the web page? So in which place we need to place a particular title and the image. So all these things will be done by the use of HTML. So by using this, we can also provide a pop-up menus, buttons, and we can get input from the user. So if we are getting input from the user means that input will be cross-checked with the server side. So for that server thing, we are using HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So it is used to communicate with web servers. After communicating with web servers, it returns some value to the requester. So this is a sample code. So here already we have a table with the columns ID, name, department. For that, they have already given a value. So we are creating a form. In that form, we are specifying options, student or instructor. So if we have given selected a student means student name is displayed. If we have selected instructor means instructor name will be displayed. So for that name, we have given the size. So with that size, the name will be displayed in the output screen. So here, see here, the example display of sample HTML source. So here we have three columns, ID, name, department. We already stored three rows of information. Now we are going to search a student name. If you have given any name here and submitting means it returns a value. If that particular student is there, that student information is retrieved. So to connect student information table, we are using HTTP link. Next, web server. Web server can be easily served as a front end to a variety of information services. So the document namers in a URL may identify an executable program that when run generate a HTML document. When an HTTP server, it receives a request like document or we need to execute any program or if we need to send a document to some other person, web client can pass extra arguments with the name of the document. So based on the name of the document, we are sharing that to web server. To install a new services on the web, we need to create and install all executables that provide services. So web browsers provides a graphical user interface to the information service. So common gateway interface CGI is a standard interface between web application servers. So if you want to interact with the informations between server and client means CGI is used. So it is an interface between web and application server. So if we ask anything, that will be get from the server side. So here the three-layer architecture of web architecture is given here. So we have browser, network, and server. So browser is a client side. Here we are sending a HTTP request through the network. So directly web server is connected with it. Web server is connected with application server, databases, and data. So based on the user request, it retrieves data from database servers and it will be transferred to application and again it transferred through the network for the client. So this is two-layer architecture. So multiple levels of indirections have over it. So for that alternate, we are using this two-way layer architecture. Here we have browsers, HTTPs, and servers. So here we only have web server and application server. So both of them are in same, and database server. So it directly gets the information from database server and that will be shared to the client. From this lecture, you can understand about how the HTML and HTTP is work in your web browsers. So mainly for web page design, we are using HTMLs, and for interaction with web servers, we are using HTTP connections. Thank you.